homeschooling even legal? Can my kid get into college if they homeschool? Are people going to think I'm weird if I decide to homeschool? Is my kid's education going to be worse if I homeschool? Am I going to mess up my kid? These are all questions that new homeschoolers worry about when they're getting started. And they're even questions that I have worried about. But I'm going to try to help answer some of those questions today as we talk about the legal aspects and the legitimacy of homeschooling. So let's start with the facts. Homeschooling is legal in all 50 states. However, each state's different in what it requires, and you need to know what the requirements are. The best thing to do is go to your state's Department of Education website and read the requirements for yourself. Or you can go to the Homeschool Legal Defense Association website, and they have all the requirements listed specifically by state. They have many other resources too. That website is hslda.org. It's a great resource for beginning homeschoolers and for veteran homeschoolers. Now, each state has different requirements. The most restrictive states are states such as New York, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts. These states give parents little to no input. It's basically public school at home. Tennessee, where I live, I would consider to have moderate requirements. There are a couple of things you must do at the beginning of each school year and at the end of each school year, but mostly they stay out of the parents' way. Mississippi and Arkansas, where I have also homeschooled, have minimal requirements. It's basically a form. It's a one-page form that has the child's name, grade, address, parent's signature. The least restrictive state is Texas. You don't even have to register with the county to let them know you're homeschooling. You just do your thing. Now, that's the facts. But what most people want to know when they talk about the legal parts of homeschooling isn't necessarily the law. They want to know, is homeschooling legitimate? And by that I mean, will it be taken seriously? Will my kid be able to get into college? Will my kid be able to get a scholarship or have a transcript? That's what they're thinking about. So let's talk about a few of those things. So what does my homeschooler need to apply for college? A homeschooler needs the same things that a public schooler that's applying to college would need. You need to fill out the college application. You need a copy of your child's transcript, and you need an ACT or SAT score. Now, what is a transcript? A transcript is simply a piece of paper that has the subjects, the courses that your student is taking over the course of their high school years, the 4 years of high school. It also has the grades in each of those subjects, and it has a calculated GPA for all the coursework over the course of all 4 years. Can a parent keep a transcript? Yes. Colleges actively seek out homeschoolers. They like homeschoolers. And so don't be afraid that just because your child is homeschooled that they somehow will not be eligible or attractive to schools. The biggest thing that most beginning homeschoolers are worried about is, what will others think? Will they think that my child is getting a second-rate education, an inferior education? Will they take me seriously? Listen to me when I say this. If you don't want others to think that your child's education is inferior, then don't treat your child's education as inferior. Study up. Be a responsible homeschooler. Know what the laws are. Don't apologize for the decisions that you have made for your child and your family. You don't need to explain yourself. Your child is not getting a second-rate education unless you are giving them a second-rate education. Does it mean you're going to know everything? No, but it means you're going to be serious about taking it seriously. Will everyone fall in love with the idea that you are homeschooling? No. Will some people have something ugly to say about your decision to homeschool? Yes. But they are not raising your child, and they are not raising your family. And whatever decision you have made, if you feel that it is right for your family and your child, then if you take it seriously, it doesn't matter what they have to say. And if you take it seriously, your child will take it seriously. That is probably the most important advice of this video. Be a responsible homeschooler. In our next video, I'm going to take you through specifically the state of Tennessee's requirements for homeschooling and the graduation requirements. I'm going to show you the website, and we're going to walk through it as if I was a brand new homeschooler. Now, if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you're sure to see that next video. And I thank you very much for joining me to talk about the legal requirements for homeschooling. See you next time.